Assalamu alaikum and welcome to OKSUPY students. Welcome to another grammar animation video. This lesson is about countable and uncountable nouns, and it is an intermediate lesson. Countable nouns are nouns that we can count, like one book, two books, we add an S at the end of the noun for plural, and many books. Uncountable nouns are nouns that we cannot count. So we cannot say one water, which is wrong. We would have to quantify it by saying a bottle of water. Uncountable nouns like coffee, sand, and also information. These are uncountable nouns that cannot be counted. You can't make uncountable nouns plural by adding an S. You can't say coffees, for example, that is wrong. We don't put a or an or a number in front of the uncountable noun, like a sand is wrong. One information is also wrong. To make uncountable nouns countable, we add a unit of measurement, like a cup of coffee, or a quantifier, like a lot of sand, or much information. We use many with countable nouns. Many chairs. We use much with uncountable nouns. Much hair. Some and any are used with countable and uncountable nouns. So instead of many chairs, we now have some chairs. There are some chairs. And instead of much hair, we now have no hair. There isn't any hair. We use few with countable nouns. Few bags. So 3 bags, that's a few. We use little with uncountable nouns. Little milk. A lot of and no are used for uncountable and countable nouns. So instead of few bags, we can say no bags. And instead of little milk, we can say a lot of milk. Excellent. Now I want to ask you questions. Make these nouns in the right group. So air, bed, bread, and electricity. Go ahead, I'll give you 10 seconds. Okay, let's take the answers. So air is uncountable, bed is countable, bread is also countable, and electricity is uncountable. So remember, if you get stuck, try to put an S at the end of the noun, and if it's correct, then it's countable. If there is no S, then it's uncountable. Thank you very much for listening to this grammar video. Until we meet in another grammar video, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.